picture even?
No. Oh my god! Holy shit! Picked up some hitchhikers.
They seem alright.
I don't really trust them.
No,
They're Canadian.
You know what they say about Canadians? The most dangerous people in the world.
Dangerous. It's a lot of brown water.
You look like poo doo doo. Smell like doo doo. Smell like doo doo.
I'm afraid this is what's gonna send back up into me if I go into that.
Yeah.
Dude, if you pee in the water, I'm like,
gonna go in the water.
go right back up your dick.
Yeah. Going in?
Yeah, of course.
I mean, I'll go.
I'll go in. Yeah, no, I'll go in right now. Yeah.
Elton is trying to fly the drone through a tiny passageway right now.
Hey, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. I'm flying the drone, getting beautiful shots, and all of a sudden I just see you just case it. You just eat shit twice.
No, I swear, step right there and you'll take a tumble.
No, I don't want to step right there. It looks like a really good water slide if the bottom wasn't terrible.
The whole way down wasn't terrible.
Yeah, the whole way, yeah, and if the water wasn't terrible.
And if the slide was plastic and not just jagged rock.
Yeah, or if the healthcare here wasn't also terrible in case something did go terribly wrong.
Actually, the healthcare here is really great.
Oh, is it?
Brought to you by Thailand tourism.
I'm so paranoid of falling. It's so cold! Oh yeah, let's just put your hat right in my face, Jay. Oh, you went down so hard! I didn't get it on video! Oh, that's not Jay, stop! Oh my god! I'm gonna crawl! I'm gonna crawl my way over you! No, I'm coming, Jay! No, he's coming! I'm coming! Jay! I'm coming, Jay! I'm gonna get
Elton, I'm standing.
Jay, I'm gonna get you!
Elton, I'm standing up.
Help me!
Hey, Elton, help me! Elton, I'm standing up already. I'm standing.
I was like, oh, to get the first fall, and then you were like, I got you, Elton. Whoop him.
Oh man.
Yeah, you lost another hat?
I lost the second hat.
That was
It's in there somewhere.
That was the least sexy Calvin Klein commercial I have ever seen.
My Calvin.
Oh, look at Spider-Man. Oh.
Did we get the picture even?
No. Oh my god. Oh. Mike. What? Mike. What? What? What?
Oh god.
How did any of that just happen?
I don't know. This is a very wet hat now.
I'm actually like, that was, what? Do it again. He won't.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
I'm not doing that again.
Hey guys, be careful because that was an accident.
So bad. I was so afraid.
I barely got
My
it.
front foot moment.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We were worried about the water getting us sick. We're just gonna all die here.
Elton, what are you doing?
Trying to get over there.
Why don't you stand up?
Because everyone that stands up falls, Jay!
But I almost slipped again.
I'm gonna get over there. Do something sexy. I just went down the wall. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby!
Sexy's his thing.
What? I'm just looking at your abs, that's all. Stop.
Oh yeah, grab those nipples.
Oh, she's taking a picture of us. I see you over there. Tag me.
Tag me at Elton Castee. This entire departure in slow motion because someone's going down. Can I get a free stand right here? They all look like a bunch of dogs trying to wipe their butts on the Dude. Now this motherfucking lookout is sick. Whoa.
What's up?
Might have just flown it into government airspace when I didn't mean to.
Is the government gonna take it?
I don't know. But
What if they take it from you?
I just got a message on my screen that says you have flown into government restricted airspace. If you do not release, it said like if you don't leave it, your aircraft will be shut down in 10 seconds.
Shot down or shut down?
Shut down.
I'll leave you guys for a second and then. What? This is.
It's alright.
What? Do I have something on my head?
Ah, cheese.
Are you filming?
I'll just.
Oh, you
film.
dick. You bastard. Shot.
Hold on. Did you just say the sausage tastes like cat?
Well, okay. I tried to say the sausage tastes.
Is it a cat?
Now she thinks it's a cat.
Is it a kitty?
But
it's funny because.
Meow, meow, meow.
Alright.
Okay. Is this a shot?
Okay, I'm done.
Is it a meow meow?
Yeah.
Seriously? No, yes. Oh.
Yeah, we're all 5. Alright, let's send it.
Alright.
One up front. This is the most secure I've ever felt in a vehicle.
How does that feel?
That feels great.
Yeah, you doing the seatbelt?
How you doing, buddy?
I'm a little sketched. I'm a little afraid my arm's gonna get ripped off.
You think I should like not?
No. No.
Should I not hang out of the?
I don't like that.
I made a new friend.
High five. High five. No. Oh, okay. He didn't like that.
Do not do that.
Don't do that.
You will kill somebody.
Don't high five him.
What's your name?
Huh?
Your name?
Hong.
Hong?
Yes.
Like.
Nice to meet you.
Are you hung?
Hong.
I think the name was hung.
Just kidding.
Oh.
Joking.
Oh.
You know how you have jokes on your channel sometimes?
Yeah.
That was the good
That one's
joke
not
that
gonna
I
make it.
This is the weirdest place I've ever visited in my
This
life.
is the weirdest position I've ever been in.
We both know that's a lie.
Yeah, you're right. That's a lot.
This is the most I've ever touched another man's leg.
Happy ending tonight.
This is fantastic.
What?
What?
The camera was on time.
Can we race another tuk-tuk? What's the top speed? How fast can we go?
How far?
Yeah, how fast?
How far? You mean?
No, fast.
How fast? For the tuk-tuk? 160. 160 kilos.
160 kilometers an hour? Can we do like Fast and the Furious Thailand version? Here you go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yo, y'all want to try and like get down with the Thai people? This is like a massive sports complex. Dude, I want to play.
What is this?
I want to see if they'll let us play. Dude, he literally just gracefully back kicked it into like a Quidditch style net.
What the hell?
This is like Thailand's
They've got
Quidditch.
jerseys on and shit. Like I don't know. I feel like these dudes are the real deal.
I don't know. Oh my god. He did it with his shoulder? Yo, we're playing 2-on-2.
2-on-2?
That's good D.
Two the whites. 2-0. I know the score.
And as in every story ever told, the white people come to a foreign land to show their dominance, and that's literally it.
You guys know the game. 500% louder than anyone else in the park.
Three-pointer. Oh!
My shoes are falling up too. I gotta walk that one off.
You guys missed it. But this game, that ball just hit Jay right in the nuts.
I'm gonna have to wait for one to fall back in. That. Ouch. To answer anybody's question, that ball is incredibly hard, if you were wondering. And it moves faster than it looks.
No way.
And it seemed to accelerate when it was coming towards my testicles.
It bounced up and into him.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't believe I missed that.
I didn't even get it on camera.
No, we gotta
Just see my pain.
No, we gotta do it again.
Oh yeah, let's do that one more time.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh.
Sorry, dude. If you want me to massage him or something, I can.
Yeah. Nah, there's plenty of places I can get a massage around here.
It's in there like swimwear. Strange man runs into the game with a weird ball of a sport that we've never heard of. Elton goes through. Takes a shot. Oh. Oh. Elton's just dancing with him. They're dancing. Back to Fitz. Fitz goes for the shot, goes for the layup, and it's game.
Keep this soul action.
Oh man.
That's what I'm working with.
Nikes. You getting in there?
Fortunately.
All right. The tag team's out.
My shoes literally tattered.
Nicely done, boys. Dude, you just can't get a break.
Nah.
What? I mean, the day started off all right.
I stood on the sidelines and got injured and still got racked.
You're like the person that buys the courtside seat, thinks they're just gonna have a great seat, drink their soda, and LeBron James just elbows them in the face.
I'm Scott Sterling.
Dude, you're sweaty as it gets.
Yeah, I am.
No! No, you did that before! After the cat video in San Diego. I love that you know exactly.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh my, get me in the face, I was traumatized. I hated it. Can we ride that? Hey! Dude, these blankets are so cool.
Oh, is that the Scully crew?
Everyone get in the tuk-tuk and don't ask a question.
100 baht total.